A lawsuit filed against insurance giant IAG is claiming the company used dubious practices to target loyal customers. Lawyers allege a computer program was used to single out customers with higher premiums because they were considered unlikely to switch insurers. National Consumer Affairs reporter Michael Atkin has the story.
Serious allegations made in this lawsuit, which is brought by plaintiff law firm Slater and Gordon. What they say is that IAG, over a 6-year period, used a computer program that identified customers who were considered unlikely to switch, so people who'd been potentially with them for years, and inflated their initial premium. And they did that before loyalty discounts were applied, the sort of thing many of your viewers probably have on their policies, things like discount for years of service, for multiple policies, things like that. And what they say is that that eroded the value of those discounts so that they were either meaningless or perhaps were financially worse off the customers. Let's hear from Ben Hardwick from Slater and Gordon.
If these customers had known the full story, they could have made an assessment. Should I shop around and go to another insurance company? Should I approach the insurance company and ask for a better price? But these customers were duped.
Michael, tell us what insurance brands does this involve?
The best known is RACV, which is very well known in Victoria. There's also SGIO and SGIC, and they relate to customers in Western Australia and South Australia. And Slater and Gordon say that they're also investigating a claim against NRMA. So that's obviously a huge insurance brand across multiple states. They haven't lodged that class action yet. They just say they're looking into whether they'll launch that too.
And how could customers have been impacted by the alleged conduct?
Well, if this is proven, and these are untested allegations at the moment, Slater and Gordon say that they could have been damaged financially, and they could have had this happen in two ways: that the value of the loyalty discounts were eroded, so they were meaningless, and they also say it could have denied them the full opportunity to shop around because the value of those loyalty discounts were misrepresented. So consumers didn't have the full picture when they were deciding whether they wanted to renew with their insurer or not.
And how has IAG responded to this?
Well, IAG has said that it plans to strongly defend against this class action. Class actions are often hotly contested and result in lengthy litigation and long court battles. And IAG denies that it's misled its customers, and it's also facing a lawsuit from the corporate regulator ASIC along similar lines. And in that court case, it's lodged a defence where it says, we haven't misled people, we disagree with the allegations about how this computer modelling was used, and also says that ASIC hasn't proven that a customer has been seriously disadvantaged by this process. So there's a lot to play out here still.